What's shaking in the metaverse? From soaring acquisition costs to Africa's Web3 revolution, a massive crypto presale, and shocking insights into user acquisition, you're about to get the full download. Stick around, you do not want to miss this. First up, we're diving deep into why your Web3 user acquisition costs are absolutely skyrocketing in 2025. This isn't just a trend, it's a crisis that's redefining how projects connect with their audience. Then, we shift our gaze to Africa, where Tether CEO Paolo Ardoino is making waves with his ambitious pitch for Web3 infrastructure. But is this a genuine leap forward, or are there lingering questions about the continent's decentralized future? And get ready for BlockDAG's monumental $410 million presale, shattering records and ushering in a new era of crypto engagement. We've got all the details on what makes this project a game-changer and how it's leaving others in the dust. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Your Web3 user acquisition costs are through the roof. Are you struggling to acquire new users in the Web3 space? You're not alone. In 2025, the costs for user acquisition have become astronomical, forcing many projects to rethink their entire strategy. This isn't just a minor hiccup. It's a fundamental challenge that's impacting growth and sustainability across the board. We're breaking down the real reasons behind these skyrocketing costs. It's a complex mix of market saturation, increased competition for attention, the evolving economics of token incentives, and the sheer difficulty of cutting through the noise in an increasingly crowded digital landscape. Understanding these factors is crucial for any project aiming to thrive, not just survive, in the current Web3 environment. We'll explore how the dynamics of decentralized applications, the rise of sophisticated advertising platforms, and the changing behavior of crypto-native users are all contributing to this unprecedented surge. The community is buzzing with discussions about how to navigate this challenging terrain. Many are looking for innovative, cost-effective strategies to reach their target audience without breaking the bank. Analysts are weighing in, suggesting a shift towards organic growth, community building, and more targeted, efficient marketing efforts. The pressure is on to find sustainable acquisition models that don't rely on unsustainable token inflation. But what happens when massive investment meets a continent ripe for digital transformation? Next, we're heading to Africa with Tether CEO Paolo Ardoino. Tether CEO's bold Africa pitch sparks Web3 infrastructure debate. In a move that's drawing comparisons to historical infrastructure investments, Tether CEO Paolo Ardoino has unveiled ambitious plans to invest in Africa's Web3 future. He's framing this as a pivotal moment, akin to building the power grids and financial systems of a century ago. Ardoino's vision involves establishing decentralized energy, communications, and financial systems across the continent, powered by stablecoins. He highlighted Tether's high profit margins as a testament to their capacity to undertake such a massive infrastructural project. The comparison to North America's foundational investments aims to underscore the transformative potential of this initiative, suggesting Africa is at a similar inflection point for technological and economic development. However, Ardoino's analogy has ignited a firestorm of debate. Critics, like analyst Do9, have called out the framing, suggesting it implies Africa is technologically behind. This has led to broader discussions about how global players should approach Africa's growth narrative, balancing its potential with respect for its current progress and agency. The conversations echo sentiments from ETHSafari 2025, where the focus was on whether Africa's Web3 future should be driven by external capital, native innovation, or community adoption. While some are focused on building the infrastructure, others are building empires. Get ready for BlockDAG's massive presale success story. BlockDAG's $410 million presale redefines crypto engagement. Get ready, because BlockDAG has just shattered expectations, raking in a staggering $410 million through its presale, and is now setting a new standard for how we engage with cryptocurrency. This isn't just about raising funds. It's about pioneering a new model that prioritizes user participation and community involvement above all else. What's the secret behind this explosive success? BlockDAG's innovative presale structure, which saw 26.2 billion coins sell out across various price points, is a major factor. But they've gone further, introducing engaging features like buyer battles and a transparent referral program. These elements actively incentivize users to participate, with top buyers even earning a shot at unsold allocations, a brilliant gamification strategy that keeps demand high and liquidity flowing. This stands in sharp contrast to projects like Chainlink and Injective, which are currently navigating profit-taking and critical support levels after periods of hype-driven trading. BlockDAG's approach is clearly signaling a shift in the crypto landscape. It's moving beyond the traditional focus on market leaders like Bitcoin and emphasizing sustainable financial models built on genuine user engagement. This project is a prime example of how prioritizing community involvement and financial inclusion can lead to unprecedented success, positioning BlockDAG at the forefront of what's next in cryptocurrency. But is this the only way to build in the new digital frontier? We've got one more critical update on user acquisition you need to hear. The real reason your Web3 user acquisition costs keep skyrocketing in 2025. Is your Web3 project struggling to gain traction? You're not alone. The cost of acquiring new users in the decentralized space has become a major hurdle in 2025, and understanding the why is critical for survival and growth. This isn't just about throwing more money at ads. We're talking about a fundamental shift in the market. Factors like intense competition for eyeballs, the diminishing returns of traditional incentive models, and the sheer difficulty of cutting through the digital noise are driving these costs sky-high. Projects are finding that older strategies just aren't cutting it anymore in this rapidly evolving ecosystem. What does this mean for you? It means a potential rethink of your entire growth strategy. The community is actively seeking more sustainable, organic methods. Analysts are suggesting that focusing on genuine community building, providing real utility, and leveraging more targeted, efficient marketing channels might be the key to overcoming this challenge and achieving long-term success without burning through your budget. That's a wrap on today's top stories. Don't go anywhere, we've got a lightning round recap coming up next. And that's a wrap on today's essential Metaverse and Web3 updates. We covered the soaring Web3 user acquisition costs, Tether CEO Paolo Ardoino's ambitious plans for Africa's infrastructure, BlockDAG's record-breaking $410 million presale, and the core reasons behind those sky-high acquisition numbers. Don't miss out on the future. Like this video, subscribe to Metaverse Update for all your essential news, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Join the conversation in the comments below and follow us on all our social channels for more exclusive content and real-time updates. Your engagement fuels our mission, so let us know what you think.